Hi everyone, my name is Hasnat. My Chinese name is Haisanthe. I came from Pakistan. I was working in the Central Bank of Pakistan, but for the last 13 years I'm working in Jielan University in the School of Economics, and I'm teaching world economy. I'm living in Changchun. Changchun is my second city, is my second hometown now. Today we are going to explore Changchun, the beautiful Changchun. Come around. We came to Cheyaoshan. It's called The Hill. It's a wonderful place for the youngsters. Most of the youngsters, they like this place. Today we came here to explore this place and go around this place. Come along with me. Do you know why this is called The Hill? Because the market is built on the basis of a concept of climbing a mountain. We are moving around and we are climbing a mountain. There are a number of things which we are doing here. We have activities for the youngsters. Therefore, it is one of the popular destinations for the youngsters in Changchun. We are on the highest place of Cheyaoshan, on the hill. If you are searching for good fortune, probably this is a good place for you. If you have those golden coins and if you throw it towards the frog, it means it is going to bring a good fortune for you. Now, I hope the good fortune will come. We are already on board now in this slide train. This slide train has a history of 8 years. But if you look around, then you will find that it's an old school design. People are sitting, people are drinking coffee, people are drinking tea, and there is a counter, there is a bar from where you can buy things, from where you can collect things, and then you can enjoy your time with your family, with your friends. Now we came to another beautiful place of Changchun. One of the very important place in Changchun is Nanhu Park. So we at the moment are in Nanhu Park. Autumn already started, and this autumn start means the winter is near. For those people who are interested to enjoy skiing, to enjoy winter sports, that's a wonderful place for the people. They can come here. Changchun is a wonderful place. We see that tourism has become an important part of economic development. Many people come over here, and I saw recently a lot of people are coming from other parts of the world to Changchun. Today we came to Changchun and we explored only a few parts of Changchun. In fact, Changchun is very big, very beautiful. There are a number of places which you can come and explore. Dongbei is very big. Northeast of China welcomes you. Welcome to Changchun.